On this episode, we get ready to go on our first sailing trip, we show you how we provision for it, we show you how we do laundry on a sailboat, and we go to a beautiful beach.
Hey guys, what's happening?
Hey!
So, we're getting ready for our first maiden voyage. We've got so many things that we've gotten done over these last few weeks.
Yeah.
And now what we're looking for is some good weather so that we can actually safely go sail.
Yeah.
Currently, at this time, we can't leave because there are some gale force winds. There's a wind warning in effect, so we're just waiting for that to calm down. There's also some streams that are going against us, so we have to wait for that to reverse. So other than that, we've just been doing so many preparations. We're all packed up. Food is good. Our water is good. Our fuel is topped up.
Now we just actually have to set sail and make it happen.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so we are getting ready now to head out on our first sail, like our first official sail on this boat. We're going to be heading out tomorrow, so what we're doing is, it's called provisioning, so basically you're getting everything ready for going out on the ocean. Any period of time, whether it's just a day or whether it's a week or a month, you want to have a lot of things, necessities on board to make sure that you're well provided for in case you're going to be in the water for a while or just an emergency. We went into the store today and we got a bunch of stuff. So just like basic things like nuts, things that don't require to be like plugged in or anything. That's also really important if you are going to be off grid, that you have those kind of essential food items that don't need to be, refrigerated or anything like that. So one of the things we got is these nuts, and these are just like a mixed assortment of nuts, and it's pretty affordable in bulk like this, and they keep you really energized and they're nutritious, so we really like having nuts on board. We also got some loaves of bread. We got some seeds, some sunflower seeds, and we also got some bananas, different types of fruit. We just got a big jug of water so that we're well hydrated, and I made sure we have enough food for our dog as well, some dog food. And then we also picked up this little first aid kit. So this has like 150 different items like band-aids, gauze, scissors, just everything that you need in case you get hurt or anything like that. And we also made sure that we have our life jackets on board. We made sure our flares are good to go. We've been checking our navionics to see our route and all those kind of things. We also made sure that our anchor is in good place, so in case we need to drop an anchor, that's ready to go. We're also going to make sure we get enough good sleep tonight so that we have a lot of energy and that we're focused. Also made sure that our phones are charged up in case we need to call out, and that we have enough battery power, backup power. And so, obviously we're not going half across the world, but even if you're just going coastal or like what we're doing, just a little bit of the corner of the island here, you never know. You always have to be prepared for anything, and it's also just nice to have some snacks on board. So yeah, we're really excited, and we're just getting ready now. Christian's actually out there right now charging up our battery bank. We have a separate battery bank so that we can charge up our phones in case our phones die. Then we have a second source of charge, so he's doing that right now. Our next vlog will be our first sailing video, so really excited to share with you. We downloaded Navionics onto our phone, and that's basically kind of like a GPS for the sailboat, just routes and checking out the weather patterns out in the ocean, the best routes, the anchorage points that you can go that's safely, like for safe points if there's something happens. Shows the tides. Like there's a lot of different information. We're still getting used to it, but that's what we're going to be using to map out our first route. And like Christian said, we're going to be just checking the weather. Like as of right now, it's actually really nice, but we're not supposed to leave today. So
It's supposed to rain.
Not today, yeah. So it's kind of like unfortunate because sometimes when you want to go, it's like the weather's great, but you can't go yet for different reasons. And then like when you actually need to go, then the weather changes.
I want to go now.
I know, me too.
We actually just saw some people, they're sailing out right now.
Yeah.
But they're not sailing in the direction that we're heading.
Right. So it's all about based on direction. If we were going in a different direction, today might be a good day. But it's, yeah.
We want to be safe.
Yeah, we want to be safe. That's for our first time.
We don't want to hit the rocks.
No.
We don't want to be grounded.
We don't want to be grounded. We did get our little, what's it called, depth sounder. We ordered that in, so that's good.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're really excited though to just actually get sailing. Like, this is what we bought the boat for.
Yep. And so, since we're waiting, we're gonna show you guys what we have done.
Oh yeah.
See, I got a haircut.
Got a haircut. I did too. He gave me a trim.
She got a haircut, and we gave the dog a haircut because while we're waiting, we're just, just doing some general boat stuff, life. Got a haircut. We did the laundry.
Oh yeah, I did laundry. So we're gonna do some laundry now and show you how we do it on a sailboat. There's no laundry machine on our boat. Some sailboats do have them, but ours doesn't. So we're kind of doing like the old-fashioned way, but it's actually a lot of fun. First, we boil some water, and then we also get some cold water, and then we mix that together into one big container, and then we'll add the detergent to that. And because our sailboat doesn't come with like an actual laundry machine, you can get one, but we don't have one yet. So we did it literally the old-fashioned way. We got like 2 buckets of water, one to clean it, one to rinse it, and then we hung it.
It's funny because there was a sweater that was left out, and it didn't properly dry, and it's been like still drying for the last couple days, and now it stinks.
So I gotta rewash it now. But we did that. It's actually kind of fun though. I actually enjoy doing it by hand. It's just something to do. It's relaxing actually being outside. And then today, as right now, we went to the beach. This is called Stewart Beach. Very beautiful. What were you saying? Hi guys, we're at the beach right now.
And this might be the last day we live for a full day.
Yes, because very soon we will be heading out to the ocean on the boat.
We'll either be in heaven tomorrow or we'll be paralyzed.
Pray for us. We're very unexperienced sailors.
Now, if you don't mind, I have to go home because I don't think I brushed my teeth yet.
He really wants to brush his teeth. Yeah. Oh, there's a jumping spider by the way. See it? It's washing its hands. Oh yeah, people jump.
Jumping spiders?
Absolutely. Ooh, that's not a good one. It's looking towards us, Christian. It might jump. That's okay. Where is it? I don't even know where it went. Oh. I think I landed on it! I'm not joking, I didn't mean for it.
Killed it.
I know!
What was supposed to do
I've never
that?
had this bad angle. It was meant to be. Well, whatever. It was not meant to be. Christian is looking at the spider that I accidentally just killed. Is that it? I'm going over there. Very nice. Honestly, I think this kind of looks like Greece. My version of Greece here in Canada. Oh yeah, right over there. That's the United States. So for you American viewers, we're very close to you.
I have to say something though. I have to say something.
Gotta say something.
I don't know how you guys feel on life on things, but I feel like time is going by so fast.
Yeah.
It's already the weekend, and it's just like it's going so fast.
It's already like almost middle of July, and my brother just had his birthday, and that's the beginning of July, and now it's almost the middle of July, and it's crazy.
And
yeah.
I don't know what causes that to like make someone feel that way, because we are doing a lot of things, I don't, maybe because it's like we're enjoying our time out here. Like it is pretty nice out here.
Yeah, I think it's when you...
I'll just hold this for Katja. Sorry.
Yeah, I think it's when you're more enjoying life that things go by faster, which... I mean, you're enjoying life, that's a good sign, but it's also sad because you don't want life to go so fast when you're enjoying it. Like, I don't want the summer to go by. I like it. But.
Yeah, it's going by so fast. But you know what? On top of that, we are kind of excited as well because we do have like a little bit of work coming our way.
Oh, yeah.
Which is a really good thing because we have to sustain ourselves and...
We've been applying for some jobs here.
Yep, so...
Hopefully they fall through.
Yep.
Fall through? No, that's if they don't go through.
Go through.
Hopefully they go through.
Go through, yeah.
We don't want them to fall through. Yeah.
And, yep, so hope you guys are doing great.
Yep, hope you enjoy watching this video.
Enjoying your summer, having some nice weather, and peace out, people.
Stay tuned because very soon we will be taking you on a sailboat for a ride.
Peace out. Word to your mother.
Okay, bye.